Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Easy Talk English Practice podcast. I'm very happy you are here today.
Hello and welcome. This podcast is for beginners. We will speak slowly and clearly.
Yes, today's topic is talking about yourself in English.
That's right. Talking about yourself is very important in daily life.
Let's start with a simple greeting. Hello, how are you?
Hello. I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. By the way, what is your name?
My name is Emma. What is your name?
My name is Alex. Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Alex.
Emma, can I ask you something?
Yes, of course.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old. What about you?
I am 28 years old.
That's nice. Age is just a number.
So, Emma, where are you from?
I am from Canada. I live in Calgary.
Oh, that's great. Is Calgary a big city? Do you like living there?
Yes, I do. But sometimes it is too noisy.
I understand. Big cities are like that.
Yes. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. I live in Toronto. What do you do, Emma? Are you a student or do you work?
I am a student. I am learning English now
That's wonderful. Why are you learning English?
because English is very important. I want to speak English confidently. It is very useful. It helps me get a better job. It helps me talk to people.
That's a great goal. English opens many doors. Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I do. At first, it was difficult, but now I like it.
Tell me about your daily routine.
Sure. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth and have breakfast.
Do you study English every day?
Yes, I do. I study English for 1 hour every day.
That's very good. Practice is the key. Let's talk about family. Do you have a big family?
No, I have a small family. There are 4 people in my family.
Who are they?
My father, my mother, my sister, and me.
That sounds nice. Do you live together?
Yes, we live together.
What does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
And your mother?
She is a housewife.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I relax. I watch YouTube videos. I listen to English podcasts.
That's very good practice.
Yes, listening helps me understand English better.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I like playing football. I also like listening to music.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, sometimes. I read simple English books.
That's a good habit. What food do you like?
I like rice and chicken. I also like coffee.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I do. But I don't like very spicy food.
I understand. Everyone has different tastes. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do. But I don't travel often
Why not?
because I am busy and travel is expensive.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a calm and friendly person. I am a little shy, but I try to speak.
That's good. Speaking more will build confidence.
Yes, I believe that.
What is your dream, Emma?
My dream is to speak English fluently. I also want a good job in the future.
That's a great dream. You are on the right path.
Thank you. This podcast really helps me.
What are your future plans?
I want to speak English fluently. I want a good job.
Do you have any dreams?
Yes, I want to travel to other countries when I am going to be rich.
That's a beautiful dream. Can you introduce yourself in one paragraph?
Sure. Hello, my name is Emma. I am 25 years old. I am from Canada. I am a student and I am learning English online. I study English every day. I like watching videos and listening to music. I have a small family and I love my family very much. My dream is to speak English fluently and have a good future.
Excellent introduction. Now it's your turn, listeners.
Pause the audio and say, my name is blank. I am blank years old. I am from blank. I am learning English.
Practice every day. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Thank you for listening to our podcast.
We hope this conversation helped you.
Keep practicing. Keep speaking.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye.